going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a little short video for you of starting my car up for the first time after I boosted it. Took me a couple weeks to get all the work done, but I went ahead and replaced the oil pump gears, the crank sprocket, and really cleaned up the car. Tried to clean up the lines and all the electrical work the best I could, but it's going to sound kind of rough in the video. That was part of the fun of me getting it all lined out, getting it tuned, making sure nothing was leaking, and just seeing all my hard work come together. So hope y'all enjoy this. It's the winter months now. Things are kind of slow. I got a couple things coming out real soon, trying to get ready for this summer so we can have fun and get all my work done now. So when everyone's out hot riding, racing and everything, we'll be ready to go. Got a couple things coming up. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.